Hi friends, welcome to Aisha's DIY. Today we will make a stretch bracelet with stretch cord, and this is the necklace that I made with bargain bead box and the pearls. Came out pretty well. And then I have some more beads left from the bargain bead box for this month, and this strand is also left. So I'm gonna make a stretch bracelet for myself with this strand. So for this you don't need any glue or anything, but I'll tell you guys a simple method to actually hide your knot. These are stretch cords, these are strong and stretchy, and some it has written something in Chinese. I don't know what it is, so I got 4 colors. I'm gonna use this one, the black, almost the black. um, these are not our stretch magic. Stretch magic, it will be written 0.5 mm, 0.8 mm, and 1 mm. Those are the things that I normally use, but I'll show you guys what to do with this. Okay, I'm gonna take about, say, 3 feet. I know it's a lot, 3.5 feet actually. It feels like a lot of cord, but these are very inexpensive, so you can afford to do that. So then what I do is I take it just like that, make it into 3. Okay, 3 cords just like that. Okay, what I did was, all I did was take the one cord, okay, folded it into half, and I need a little bit of tail, okay, here, okay, and then over here I take this end and tie it onto this cord. Just an overhand knot. Okay, when you tighten it, you will get this. Basically, there is 3 cords. This serves as a needle, and there is a small tail out here. Okay, now we are ready to actually put the beads in. You don't even need a needle or something, and I want to choose a bead which is really nice and interesting, and keep it. The rest I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna find a bead which has rather big hole. Okay, so just go through your beads and find out which one has a bigger hole. Okay, that will be the beads which you use in the end of your bracelet. Okay, this has a very big hole, so yeah. Okay, so I start with this, and actually I will start with the biggest hole bead, which is this. Don't go all the way because the beads will fall, and you can add spacer bead if you want to. But I really like my beaded bracelets. Nice and I don't know what's going on here. Let me see. Sometimes this will happen. That means your cord. There we go. Because we added only one knot, sometimes this will happen. Gonna add all the beads, making this as a needle, and I'll come back. So I added all the beads. Actually, I didn't reserve one bead because I thought this should be correct measurement. If I put it around, it's a little bit loose, but then that's okay. So what I'm going to do is, here is the needle part that we were threading our beads with. So what I'm going to do here is cut that needle. Okay. So we have 3 cords here and then 2 here. One is a loop, one is straight. So I take 2 of these cords and go through that loop, and then we have all 4 cords. Now hold the 4 cords in hand and then push all the beads towards the loop side. Okay. Push towards the loop side and then pull this. Okay. Now we should have 4 cords to tie with. So I'm gonna take all 4 cords, 2 in one and 2 in one hand, and go ahead and do an overhand knot. Okay. And then stretch. Before doing anything, just wear it around your wrist and see if it is comfortable. It feels comfortable to me. So then you have that one knot right there, right? And then what you do is again an overhand knot, right over left, and then go underneath. See how I pull? I'm gonna tighten that knot. That's it. Just 2 knots. Make sure it's tight. Just stretch, pull, 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 and see if there is any gap in your bracelet, and then go ahead and pull one more time. I would like to do one more knot just in case. Okay, and check your bracelet. Nice and neat. All you need to do is cut this cords with your scissors, just leaving a little bit of a distance right there. See that? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see, remember the bigger bead that we had? Let me see which one it is. That is this one. So I'm just going to pull that bead on top of this knot gently. If you pull it too hard, it'll go and come back the other side. Just gently pull. There we go. And now pull everything here. You can still see that short thingy, but I don't want to pull anymore. It'll automatically go inside. But you have a seamless one without any glue or so, and it is so pretty. I really like this bracelet. Comfortable wearing this. Yes, we have a little bit of a of some cords which is left, but that's okay. We have a beautiful bracelet, and I really like the way this turned out to be. I hope you guys like this simple and easy tutorial, but yet you can make so many of these bracelets and you can stack without any glue, without any needle or so. You can have this bracelet done in very, very less time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.